Hi guys, it's a Panafire here, and I'm just going to make a quick video about these new Sony earphones. Now, the title for this, well, what it's actually called, well, it's long, so I'm just going to put it on the screen right there. Okay, and here's just me reviewing them. So I've had them for about a week right now. As you can see, you can tell by the red light, it's charging. You can tell by the red light that it's charging. And so, if you open it up, you can see the red means it's charging. Now, if I take them out right now, as you can see, it then starts flashing blue. This is it connecting to Bluetooth. Means that it's now connecting to Bluetooth. If I take both of them out, you see, it stops charging. Now, there's one way to initially connect it, and that's by this button there. Now, you need to download the Sony headphones app, and once you've done that, you can therefore then connect to your phone straight away. So as you can see, there's the right ear and then the left ear. Now, the left ear you can control the sound, so it'll be from ambient to noise cancelling, and then you can turn it off completely just from normal settings, just by tapping it once here on the left ear. Now, the right ear, as you can see, this can stop the music, and it can also play the music as well. And yeah, you can just connect it via that, and it's pretty straightforward. And some of the complaints, well, actually, I'll go complaints later. So you can change the earbuds to this. There'll be a package, so you can change them and swap them out, like whatever's easier. And yeah, and you can change them. I've got the soft ones, and you can have the plastic ones as well. So that's good. And yeah, if you want to put them back on, you can put them back in, and it automatically charges. And if I put them in, as you can see, it turns red, so therefore it's charging again. And you can just take them out. It's magnetic, and yeah, it's good. And yeah, you just basically need the app. And some of the complaints, I feel like it's a bit too heavy. I feel like maybe it can fall out of your ear like quite easily. I mean, there's videos online about how to like put them in your ear, but basically what you do is you insert, then you twist, and then you face it sideways. I mean, you can see pictures, which I might display up there if I'm bothered more. But yeah, overall they're good. They're good sound quality. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them. But at the price of £170, I do have to ask if it's really worth the price, or if I would rather just buy AirPods. Depends if you want to support that or not. But anyway, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Any more questions? Write them in the comments. And yeah, I think that's it. Like and subscribe, and tell me what you think and what you think about these. Okay, bye.
Prepare to be gratified.